You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay,
but I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? No. That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available for...
Brought this case before the court? What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
Most of the time in child support court, it's the other way around. One parent has to drag the other in, but this case flips the script. A father walked in and said, "Put me on child support." And the reason why? The mother of his child didn't even show up. That already tells you a lot.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today.
This part hit me hard. He actually says he tried to marry her, tried to do everything the right way, but instead she chose the streets, as he put it. Whether you believe that phrasing or not, you can feel the frustration in his voice. This is a man who wanted a stable family, but ended up in court just trying to make sure his son is provided for.
It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular, come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to...
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
And here's the reality check. He's not some high-paid NFL star. He's playing arena football and not even first string. He admits he doesn't make much money. That takes humility. Think about it. Most people in his shoes might hide income or avoid court, but he's laying it all out there knowing it could cost him.
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, you're third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Now watch how Judge Vonda handles the numbers. No matter how emotional the case is, the math doesn't lie. Income, health insurance credits, taxes, it all comes down to cold calculations. And when she lands on $871.46 per month, you can see the reality set in. That's not small change for someone in his position, but it's the price of responsibility.
Okay, so how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay, and you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so 67,000. Well, let me ask you this: who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay, how much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay, and let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay. So based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46.
And just when you think the case is winding down, he drops the line that had everybody's jaw on the floor. He actually tries to flirt with the judge, saying since he doesn't have a good baby mother, maybe she could step in. I mean, what, in child support court of all places? The boldness was unreal.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay,
but I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? No. That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Of course, Judge Vonda brushed that off like a pro. But then she gave us the real lesson, and honestly, it's one more parents need to hear. You don't have to wait for a fight or for the state to chase you down. You can put yourself on child support. Doing it voluntarily not only shows responsibility, but it protects you from back pay later. That's a powerful takeaway.
We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to go over what you all watched in the episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself on child support.
This case had it all: responsibility, struggle, even a little comedy. But underneath it, there's something rare: a father stepping up when he didn't legally have to. What do you think? Was he being noble or just covering himself? And how about that wild flirt at the end? Let me know in the comments. I need to hear your thoughts.